back here at a Sukiya, and now they have a pork with okra dish here. So let's check this out. This is the medium size, by the way. It's got some bonito flakes, I think, on there. Some onion, thin sliced pork, of course, and some okra. Yeah. It's pretty good. Very hot. Now, okra has a sliminess to it. It's not for everyone, but I like it. Also got a side dish of pak bung, and they do it really well here. They have an interesting garlicky clam sauce or something. That's great. It's a little salty though. You really want to eat that with rice. It's just a pork ramen. I think this one might have a tom yum mala. Tastes like tom yum to me. Tastes kind of limey. Pretty good. Then you got some seaweed, a little tofu soup here. Yeah, very mild miso flavor. Very good. And then, as always, I like to put a lot of the pickled ginger in here. And some seasoning. It's pretty good. I like it. If you get past the sliminess, it tastes great. Alright, see you at the next place. Oh, yeah, check. Oh, I can't read any of that. Well, whether it's the ramen here, this pork okra bowl, I think that's the green tea with no sugar, and that's the vegetables, the pak bung. 316 baht. It's like $9? Yeah, it's somewhere in the $9 range.